A sharp, sudden tremor struck southeastern Indonesia just before midday local time on July 14, 2025. At 12:49 p.m., a magnitude 6.7 quake ruptured roughly 180 kilometers west-southwest of Tool, centered deep under the Banda Sea, about 98 kilometers beneath the surface. The shaking reverberated across the Tanimbar Islands. Sao Mlaki, Dobo, and nearby towns felt homes tremble hard enough that people froze in doorways. We don't yet have reports of widespread destruction, but experts note the region's clay and brick buildings can't withstand a quake of this strength. Around 10,000 residents felt moderate shaking, while over 300,000 in nearby towns felt the earth roll lightly. The watchers. Emergency officials are warning that even if immediate collapse isn't visible, hidden cracks in walls, foundations, or ceilings could threaten homes, especially with a strong strike-slip quake at this depth. Within minutes, anxious residents fled their homes. Social media lit up with clips of people rushing out into open ground, collecting family members, pets, and essential items clearly shaken. Some posted short videos showing cracked plaster and dishes scattered across kitchen floors, a physical reminder of how swiftly calm gives way to crisis. Search and rescue teams are now patrolling villages and schools, inspecting public buildings for damage. The Indonesian disaster agency PMKG is urging everyone to steer clear of structures that seem unstable and to keep a safe distance until qualified engineers can declare them sound. They've also canceled classes in affected areas this afternoon and set up temporary gathering spots in open fields, ready in case aftershocks hit. Thankfully, there is no tsunami threat from this quake. BMKG and international seismic centers all confirm the ocean isn't expected to surge. That leaves one critical worry: aftershocks. With strike-slip 6.7 scale quakes, strong aftershocks, magnitude 5 or higher, can follow in days, potentially collapsing buildings already weakened. Survival advice is clear. Stay outside in safe zones, avoid damaged structures, and have a simple grab-and-go bag with essentials. Local officials stress that damage isn't guaranteed, but the region hasn't seen a quake this strong in a while, and buildings here often use unreinforced brick or concrete that don't flex under heavy shaking. With tens of thousands of homes in this category, even a few severely cracked walls or ceilings could displace families. At 2 p.m. local time, seismologists say the event has already produced light aftershocks, and more could come. Every tremor prompts fresh waves of fear, especially among children who ran outside at the first quake. Relief teams are preparing psychological support as well. Trauma after these shocks can be as real as physical damage. Indonesia sits on the notorious Ring of Fire, where multiple tectonic plates collide. Earthquakes this deep and powerful are never a shock, but their timing is. This quake sends a reminder that nature doesn't announce itself in stages. If you're in eastern Indonesia today, check your home if it trembled, and follow official channels for updates on safety zones, shake maps, and aftershock warnings. As night falls, families will return to uncomfortable homes, unsure of whether they're safe. Engineers will assess structures, aid workers will distribute tents or shelter equipment, and survivors will stay alert, listening for every rumble. We'll be keeping track of aftershock patterns, damage reports, and any relief measures from Indonesia's BNPB and BMKG. If you're in the area and have updates or footage, please share it in the comments or with trusted local relief groups. If not on location, pass this video to anyone with friends or family there. Stay tuned. We'll bring you the latest verified updates as they come in. For now, be safe, stay informed, and let's hope tonight passes quietly.
Ini motor. Pindahannya ke motor sini. Ini mana motor? Apa tuh? Tuhan Yesus. Ayan.